Hey, this is Sharon, and real quick I want to show you how to clip the beginning and the end off of a video using Camtasia 2. So first you have to either go up here to File, Import Media, and locate the file and select it, or if you already have it open, you can simply drag it onto the timeline and it's there. So that's what I've done. You go to the spot in the video where you want it to begin. Eyes open would be good. Split it playhead. And you can delete it and you see how the video stayed on the timeline. Or you can hit ripple delete and it'll move the whole video up to where that started at, to where the beginning was on the cursor. Now again, I'm going to go to the end. I finished talking, smile, split it playhead, and delete. That's it. That's how you trim or edit the front and the back off of a video. There you go. From there you would save your project and then you could share your project. Export it to a movie file. And that's how you do it. Hope that helps.